I guess today I wanted to do a full unboxing review, and we're even going to use this new Lanvier Hair Clipper set. Super excited to use it. I like to keep my hair really short as well as my beard, so it just came in right in time. Let's check it out. Cool, so it comes in this nice carrying case right here. Show you firsthand, that's like really well put together in there. Let's take a look at the actual machine. Yeah, that's nice. It's like professional grade. That is very nice product. You also get the charging cable right here. The tops to it right there, and some little oil for it, as well as like a little guide right here. So very neat. It's got some weight to it, like not like crazy yet, but like it's very good quality. Man, I really want to test this out, so we're gonna go ahead and go outside and actually put it to use, see how it works, see how it feels, and give you an honest review of it. All right, and before we go out there, I just wanted to show there is a very nice display right here, so I'll go ahead and turn it on. That was the other thing I wanted to point out. It is wireless, so you don't have to be worrying that it's like hooked up or anything like that, but check it out. How cool is that? So even though it's wireless, you don't have to worry about it dying on you midway. So gives you all the information on there. So all right, now let's go ahead and try it out. All right, so as my wife started cutting my hair with my new clippers, they were really solid. They would just glide across my head. It did not pull any of my hair as she was cutting it. So you know the blades are good material and really sharp. What's crazy is most barbers actually say I have really thick hair, but these have really high RPMs, which I believe is 7,500. So they didn't cause any problems. As you can see, I even got my beard done with the same clippers, glided right through, made my beard really nice. And as you can see, we are not professional barbers by any means. Sometimes I'll cut my own hair, as you can see, but now my wife's cutting it. So you don't actually have to be a professional, but these will even work in a professional setting. So like I said, great quality clippers. I would highly recommend these. Again, 10 out of 10. Thank you to the company for sending these out to me so I can try them out.